Hi everyone, Del here, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be taking a look at a pocket virus kit. Now this is just a little kit I've put together just to keep in your bag anywhere that you go. It's by no means a full virus protection kit, it's just an aid to preventative measure. So we'll take a look at that. Now there's a zillion different types of videos and opinions out there of what masks, what kit and everything to use. This is just a little kit that you might have. It's spread about in all different kits that you can put together and make yourself just a small virus pocket kit. So we'll take a look at this. Please remember to hit subscribe and like, and you'll see all future videos. Thanks a lot everyone, let's take a look at this now. So here we have our small pocket virus kit. Now just use any old pouches that you've got lying about and things like that you can put this kit into. Doesn't have to be a first aid pouch or anything like that. Like I said, I've wrote on this so I know what's in it, so that when we add it to our different packs. So there's lots of different things on media and everything about what to have in your kit, what type of masks and everything to use. This isn't a mask video and what you should be carrying and everything like that. This is just a simple little pocket virus kit that I carry. So let's start with the basics. We've got hand sanitizer gel, alcohol based. Make sure you read them to find out if they are alcohol based or not. You pick these up pretty cheap. Some of you may already have these lying about your different kits in your wife's pockets and things like that. Some tissues. Good housekeeping. Goes back to the age-old days of coughing and sneezing to a hanky. Cover your mouth when you do cough. Cover your nose when you do sneeze. So we've got a normal packet of disposable hankies for that. Within that we've also got, I put ziplock bags. So once you've used that hanky, instead of pushing it back into your pocket and contaminating all the areas, use the ziplock bags and put them in it so you can dispose of it afterwards. We've also got nitrite gloves or latex gloves for you, for touching different things, for touching exposed surfaces, things like that in your workplace. We've got the gloves there also for taking off your mask and for using disposing of the hankies. Wipes, alcohol wipes. You can buy lots of different pocket ones with these. So they just replay them as you go along. Make sure they are alcohol based and not just a sodium chloride treatment. A notepad and pen, strange you may ask, but it's to take a note of the areas you've been to and your movements, so that if you do contract the said virus or whatnot, there is notes of your movement and everything like that, and just notes for yourself to be aware of where you've been. And then the mask itself, this is a N95. They say that that's the minimum standard for what you should be carrying. These have on it themselves diagrams of how to use. Nice simple pocket one. It does fold out, the mask folds out, opens out. On that, you used to be able to pick these up pretty much everywhere, pretty cheap, but everywhere's getting low on stock, and also they're limiting sales to people. I've heard that in some DIY stores and places like that, the minimum is down to 5 purchases per person, so just be aware of that before you go it. So this is just a simple little pocket virus kit. As you can see, we've got the mask, which is the main thing. We've got the pouch to put it in. A little bit different of a notepad and pen. Just so write down your movement, where you've been. Your ziplock bags to put in your hankies, your disposable hankies, and your gloves once you've finished, so you can dispose of them. A hand wash and some wipes for wiping down surfaces that you may be touching without gloves, things like that. So that's just a simple little kit I've thrown together. Most of you will have this type of stuff lying about. Just put it together in a little pocket and just carry it with you, and then when you go into larger areas that are populated and things like that, then you've got this with you in case you need it. So just a little pocket virus kit. Thanks for watching, everyone. Stay safe out there, do your best. Prepper Del out.